Hi guys, tonight Inara English Course students will present something in passive voice, so check it out.
So tonight I would like to present my presentation. I will tell you about how to make hat with paper. Okay, the first I will introduce myself. My name is Hesti and you can call me Hesti. I am 15 years old and then maybe you just prepare paper or just if you rich, if you have money, you can buy origami.
First, I want to comment about your presentation. For all, I think it's good because this is your first presentation. Even it's small presentation, but you make it. But I want to comment some of your presentation. The first, yes, it's good to open with a structural. Structural, like you know what you want to say. Don't say something like when you in a stage and then, what will I say? What will I say after this? How to close it? No.
I will tell you how to make instant noodles. Instant noodles are one of the popular foods in the world, including in Indonesia. Instant noodles there are the steps in making instant noodles. Okay, the first step, the water is put into the pot like this. Imagine this water put in the pot. Next, the pot is placed on the stove.
Where is your stove?
This is my stove.
Imagine again.
Okay, next, the pot is placed on the stove. And the water is heated over medium heat. Then, the instant noodles packaging is opened. And the instant noodles are boiled.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Tonight I would like to present my presentation. I will tell you about how to remember a dance. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Inara English Course. You can call me Keisha.
Hello, Keisha.
That's what we see it on it.
Like what? This? Like this? Or like? Okay. This. Okay.
And then the hand movement as what begins see on it.
Okay. Like
that.
Oh, I know.
I know, bro.
Okay, next.
After that, the choreography is remembered slowly. And the choreography is tested. Then you will remember the choreography.
Okay, let's test the choreography. Interesting performance. Because why? Keisha actually is a shy girl, but she wants to present, so it's a big progression because she wants to present in front of all. The second is because she is a shy girl. This topic is very basic.
Introducing myself. My name is Yana. You can call me Kila. And I will explain about photo editing. That is related to my schoolwork. At first, the photo is edited the gallery with my friend said application and please try it.
Where is the photo?
And this
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you. Yay! So I want to comment on you. So actually your idea is good, editing a photo, but because you are late, the step, for example, the photo is upload in Canva. The second is the color is changing, and the second the elements is edit, something like that, kan? And then the text is also write it, something in Canva, and then the end. The photo is repaired about the balance of colors, the balance of what is it? The writing and the photo, and then the photo is ready. Okay, thank you. Because of I think you need to make a video by yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, based on my comment that I give you. Yeah, like Akila, you make the content better. You also the content will make it better at like the chef. You explain also doesn't not just like this. Everyone will go. What kind of
Alright.
Yes, presentation is it. So just explain the detail as detailed as possible. Okay? Okay. And then okay, please show us the movement, even just like that, simple but energized. Yeah, I don't know what is the movement, something like that. Yeah, just like first step is like this. Okay.